Hi guys, hope you all doing good. And today is my birthday! Yay! I'm so excited. Happy birthday to me. I'm 24 today. So yes, cheers to 24. Okay, so I'm just preparing myself, like doing a little bit of makeup. Yeah. And I just want to thank you guys. Thank you for 5k subscribers. I know I have 5,000 subscribers, but it's like 200 people watching my video every day. Just want to say thank you so much guys for taking your time and watch my videos. I know sometimes my videos are a little bit boring and nothing much, but thank you so much for taking your time and watching my video, commenting, like my video. Thank you so much guys, I really appreciate it. So like YouTube is like my job. I don't know, I can say that even if I don't get paid, but I'm so happy to do this. It's like something that keep me busy away from my kids, because like to take care of the kids 24/7 all the time and you don't have anything else to do, even like to stay all day on Instagram or on social media, for me like nowadays is not really my thing. So for me to do YouTube, like to film, to vlog and edit a little bit, for me is something like very important, and it keeps me busy, and it's I don't know, I really love doing YouTube. So it's something that I'm gonna do for a very long time. I'm just gonna watch myself, my channel grow. And thank you so much for your support. I really love you guys. Thank you so much. So if you have any video suggestion you want me to do, you can tell me, and yeah, you can share my video with some of your friends. And okay, so I'm just getting ready right now. I don't go anywhere, I'm just at home. And yeah, just want to be cute today. It's my birthday. Okay, I just did my eyebrows and I'm going to do my... So yesterday I tried this Kikomilano foundation. Is foundation for summer. I tried, it is not so bad, but the shade is a little bit light. I don't know, let me show you guys. I have a clip when I was doing it yesterday. Oh my god, it's so much. It's a little bit light, but I think next time when I'll go back to Kiko store, I'll take another shade so that I can mix. It's not like, if you are not that type of person who wear a lot of makeup, this one is good, because you can mix this with the other one if you are like me, because they have only 2 shades of dark, not so much. This is the one that I wear like all the time. Like when I wear makeup, it's only this little bit orange, but it's not that bad. Yeah, so I'm just gonna use this today, not the new one. I think the new one is better, is more good for summer. I think it's not heavy foundation. Even this one is not heavy, but this one is a little bit more coverage than this one. I think you can see, like, it's not like full coverage, but it gives you that skin color, nice coverage to your skin, and not full coverage, but enough for you to feel like to have same skin color. I always use like the same type of makeup, and now I'm going with this. Oh, I like a concealer. Powder. blend everything. The only eyeshadow that I have is this one from Primark. I think I have to try the other one with a little bit like more. This one is very light, like even the colors, like when you put up, you don't have to blend so much because they're light. More light eyeshadow, like as you can see, and you can't see that much, so you don't have to blend so much if you are like a beginner. I think this is good. I like to go with the same color and go inside in the middle here. So we are making a cake today. Chocolate cake. It's just for fun. So do something and celebrate with my daughter. Okay, now we are starting to do it, okay? First we are putting butter. Right, put butter. Wait. Harry. Right, take this. And now we put sugar. There you go. Bravo. And we are going to mix. Brava, mix. You finished to make the cake, eh? Yeah. Esme. So Esmeralda doesn't want to leave here until the cake is ready. Eh? Why you don't want to go to watch TV? You're waiting for the cake. You're watching. And then you're going to call me. She's telling me to go to play and then later she'll call me. Say hi. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Happy birthday to me. Woo! Right. Now Esmeralda wants to blow the candle. Bye. Bye. Blow. Happy birthday, dear mommy. Happy birthday to you. Vai Sofia, forte. Brava.